Let me show you everything you get and how to use it. You get 4 flange inserts, 17 mm, 18 mm, 21 mm and 24 mm, so you can find your perfect fit. Now, let me show you how to assemble. It's super easy. First, push the valve into the bottom of the connector press until it clicks. 2. Stretch the diaphragm over the top of the connector. Make sure there are no gaps. 3. Twist the collection cup onto the bottom nice and snug. 4. Place your flange insert inside the 24 mm flange, then push it onto the connector. 5. Finally, place the motor on top and press gently until you hear a click. Let me show you the controls. This is your power button. Hold for 2 seconds to turn on or off. This is the mode button. Switch between stimulation, expression and mixed mode. And these plus/minus buttons control your suction level. 9 levels from gentle to strong. When you're done, just detach the cup and pour your milk into a bottle or storage bag. That's it, mamas. Need help? WhatsApp us at 99107080012. Happy pumping!